everyone! Today we're making coronavirus fried bread. Often when I make breakfast, I have leftover pieces of bread, such as bread crust, or like when I made the smiley face eggs, I had the inside of the bread left. I usually collect them in a bowl and use recipes like this. Let's get started. First, take a pair of scissors and cut the bread into cubes. Cut up the Spam into small cubes. Get some butter and put it into your pan. When the butter has melted, add in the cubes of bread. Do make sure you mix it around evenly through the butter. When the bread is a bit cooked, then mix in your Spam. And you can shake it around and mix it up a little bit. When the bread is browned and the Spam is heated up, put some of your mixture back into the bowl and mix it with some cheese. And then add the rest and mix in some more cheese. I then take a fork and press it down so the bread mixture will take the form of the bowl. I then take a plate and put it on top of the bowl and then turn it upside down. When I remove the bowl, you have a round pile of bread. I then take a chopstick and some tomato paste, and I decorate my little coronavirus breakfast. Okay, let's go.
Good Spam.
Good Spam. Question 1. Besides being yummy, what did the cheese do? Question 2. Instead of Spam, what else can you use? Question 3. How many types of bread did you use?